Hello guys, good evening everyone. This is Zainab. Please, before we go forward, please go to YouTube and follow me there and like, please. This is Zainab kitchen we are having today, and then I'm gonna go for today for my favorite chicken orange. So these are my recipe. We have chicken here. This is the chicken. And then here we have spring onion, we have garlic, and we have bell pepper, tricolor. And here we have fresh chili and onion. This is ginger here. So this is the potato for chips. And here we have mustard and honey. So as well, this one is sweet corn, fresh tomato, and this is spinach and green apple and cucumber. This one for the salad. And then here we have my favorite, the safe of the kitchen for today, orange juice. We are having it. This is my favorite. And here we have ketchup and the soya sauce. We have black pepper as well. So guys, please join me on YouTube, follow me there and like at Zainab Kitchen. Okay, thank you guys. Okay guys, we start to cook now. This is the frying pan. I'm putting it on the gas. Okay, so let me put my orange juice. Bismillah. Okay, so I'm putting the chicken. Okay. So for now, I'll cover it. Oh, sorry. For now, I'll cover it for some minutes to leave it boil. So this one for the French fries. Yeah. Okay, now we are putting the oil. I didn't put much oil because when I fry finish, the remaining one I will throw it. So I decided to put a little. Yeah. I'll not wait the oil to be hot because I don't like it. As you can see, it start boiling. Okay guys, let's check. See, the chicken is already cooking. Now we have to put our ingredients because the juice is almost done. Yeah. Now we are putting the ingredients. Now we will stir it slowly. The French rice is almost done. Okay, I will cover it. French is almost done. We need to remove it. We removed it. Okay guys, so we're gonna check. Okay, the juice is almost, so we will start with ketchup. 1 spoon of ketchup, and then mustard, 1 spoon, and we go for soya sauce, also 1 spoon, it's thick. Okay, 1 spoon is enough. Also 1 spoon. Honey to have the sweetness, 1 spoon. Black pepper, just little. And then salt, little. Butter as well to give the flavor. So we're gonna stir it slowly so that the chicken cannot mess. Okay. As you can see, the color is changed. If you are cooking it, if you want to try it, if you like, you can leave a little bit of juicy so you can enjoy it more, because when there is juice it tastes more good. Amazing. So now I will cover it for like 2 minutes. Let's check. Wow, the flavor is amazing, amazing, amazing. Now it's done. Just serve. Then eat. You guys come and join me to enjoy. Please go and follow me on YouTube, Zainab Kitchen. Bye. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the complete food. This is the chicken orange. And this is the French fries. This is the salad. As you all can see, guys, go and try it. It's really yummy. And this is the sauce I made for the salad. I mix mustard, honey, olive oil, and a little bit black pepper. I put a little salt, so I mix it. So this is the sauce for the salad. The salad I mix sweet corn, green apple and cucumber and spinach, fresh tomato. Yeah, the chicken is very delicious. Go and try it. Me, I don't love the fusion chips, the French fries. I don't love that one. I love the normal one. So I always buy potato and then I slice it on my own.